Welcome back to Beautyistic. If you're new here, I'm thrilled to have you. Today we're reviewing the portable lash bed, folding physical therapy table, a professional spa bed designed for home use. Whether you're a therapist, esthetician, or just someone looking to elevate your at-home beauty setup, this product promises a lot of versatility and convenience. Let's dive into the details and see how it really measures up. The portable lash bed comes with adjustable features to cater to various beauty and wellness treatments. It's built for comfort, with a wide design and a facial treatment hole. This bed is marketed as perfect for services like eyelash extensions, tattoos, and physical therapy, among others. It also folds up neatly and includes a carrying case, making it easy to transport. Crafted to meet professional standards, it's designed to be both sturdy and lightweight, offering a reliable setup for home use. Now, let's take a closer look at my experience using this massage table. Setting it up was a breeze. No complicated instructions, just unfold and you're ready to go. The adjustable height made it easy to find the perfect position, whether I was using it for facials, lashes, or a quick physical therapy session. The face hole was a nice touch, adding to the overall comfort during those longer treatments. I found the bed sturdy enough for both lighter and more intense uses, and the folding design made it incredibly convenient to store away or move around when needed. There are some pros worth noting here. First off, the portability is a huge plus. If you're working in multiple locations or need something that doesn't take up a lot of space, this table checks that box. It also provides good stability, which is essential for professional treatments. The black finish and wooden accents give it a polished, professional look, which is an added bonus if you're setting it up in a client-facing space. And yes, it's quite lightweight for easy transport without sacrificing durability. However, there are a few cons to keep in mind. The bed is versatile, but the padding could be a bit thicker, especially for those longer sessions. If you're offering treatments like long tattoo sessions or physical therapy, you might want to add a mattress pad for extra comfort. The weight capacity is fine for most users, but if you're dealing with larger clients, keep in mind that it could feel a bit less sturdy under heavier weight. Is it worth the price? In my opinion, it's fair value for what it offers. You're getting a professional quality table that's durable, portable, and highly versatile. While it may not have all the high-end features you'd find in a more expensive model, it certainly holds its own in terms of performance and practicality for home or small business use. Compared to similar products on the market, this lash bed stands out because of its portability and ease of use. There are more expensive models that offer thicker padding or more luxurious finishes. But for someone looking to keep things functional and budget-friendly, this one hits the mark. The build quality feels solid overall, and the materials used are pretty standard for a product in this price range. While there's no long-term data available since I've only used it for a short period, everything about the construction seems durable enough to withstand daily use. I didn't have any direct interactions with customer service, but based on the brand's reputation, they seem to be responsive if needed. The inclusion of the carrying case is a nice touch though, showing attention to detail for customers who need easy portability. For those on a tighter budget or just looking for something simpler, there are other similar products out there. You can find budget-friendly options that don't come with all the bells and whistles, but they might offer a similar range of features, especially if you're looking for something just for facials or lashes. So, what's the final verdict? The portable lash bed is a solid choice for anyone looking for a professional-level spa bed at home. It's not perfect, but for the price, it offers great value, especially when it comes to versatility and portability. If you're in need of a foldable, adjustable bed that can handle various treatments without taking up too much space, this one should definitely be on your radar. If this review was helpful to you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and press the bell icon so other beauty enthusiasts can find this video. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Do you have this bed, or have you tried other models? Drop your comments below and let's chat. Thank you so much for watching, and remember, until next time, stay beautiful with Beautyistic.